This ain't a major cooking thing, but like I said, these are videos from my grandson. If you want a quick, easy meal, it's called steak and eggs. Just take an old cheap steak like a New York strip, because we know we don't like them for supper. New York strip's not the best strip of steak. All you gotta do is season it up. I use Everglades. You can use whatever you want. This is just a quick and easy meal, because we busy working. Like I said, I probably should wear gloves, but this is my meal, so it don't matter. Take it to the oven, just put it in a broiler. We're going to cook the steak rare or medium rare. We don't do well done. Grandson, if you want to do well done, you can hang out with your liberal or gay friends or whatever. We don't do that here. Eggs. We're going to scramble some eggs and fry them. But we got a pan of bacon grease over there. Never waste not, want not. If you're rich, you can waste things. But usually the rich people get rich by not wasting things. Save your bacon grease. Bacon grease is good. On my scrambled eggs, put a couple eggs in there. I like to add a little bit of milk. Also dab a little bit more seasoning in there. And just whisk them up. This is just a quick and easy meal. It's a lot better than just a canned ravioli or a hamburger from McDonald's. We're guys, we like meat and protein. Like I said, if you want something different, go live somewhere else. Enjoy their lifestyle. Like I said, we just scrambled some eggs. This is easy stuff, but you'll be surprised at the people who don't know. Just going to add a little bit of bacon grease. Always save bacon grease. Don't worry about what them city people tell you. I need vegetarian. Bacon grease. Heat it up a little bit. Pour the eggs in. Pepper. Okay, here it is. Quick thing, didn't take 10 minutes. Steak and eggs. Steak was on sale. New York strips, cheap steak. Eggs, 2 eggs, didn't cost much. Now, they just did vote in $15 an hour for people, so yeah, things are going to go up. Price of groceries going to go up. We'll get into that later. This is a quick and easy meal. Just takes that 10 minutes. Now you'll have some people want to sell you an instant breakfast, instant this. This is probably just as expensive or sometimes even cheaper, and it's a lot more healthy for you. It's a lot better breakfast for a man than some gay little protein bar or something like that. This is a meal. This is what we do. So this is the easy, quick meal. Steak and eggs. Hope you enjoy.